In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate Samsung keypad sounds. So first of all, just open Messages or any other place where you can use your Samsung keypad. Here we are, and as you can hear, right now it is active, so you can hear each of the tab. And if you'd like to mute it, or otherwise, if it's muted and you would like to activate it, just open the settings, then find and select Sounds and Vibration, and scroll down. Here you will notice System Sound and Vibration Control, mark it here, and now click on Samsung Keyboard. So in my case it was active, and now I would like to switch it off, so let me leave it unmarked. And now, as you can hear, it is muted, so no sound is connected with each of my tab. And this is it. This is how you can manage Samsung keyboard sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.